Salmon sticks can be a tasty alternative to traditional fish sticks and are also quite simple to prepare. Here's how you can do it. Ingredients: 300 grams of fresh salmon fillet, 100 grams of breadcrumbs, 50 grams of flour, 2 eggs, salt and pepper to taste, olive oil or frying oil. Preparation: start by removing the skin from the salmon fillet and check for any bones. Cut the salmon into strips or sticks about 2 centimeters wide. Prepare 3 dishes where you will place the flour, the beaten eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper, and the breadcrumbs respectively. Coat each salmon stick in the flour, making sure to cover them evenly. Shake off the excess flour. Dip the salmon sticks in the beaten eggs, ensuring the liquid sticks well on all sides. Finally, roll them in the breadcrumbs, pressing lightly to make sure the breadcrumbs adhere well and obtain an even breading. In a frying pan, heat a generous amount of olive oil or frying oil, and once hot, fry the salmon sticks until they are golden and crispy on all sides. Drain them on paper towels to remove excess oil, and serve the salmon sticks hot. Italian variation. If you want to add an Italian touch to the dish, you can add finely chopped herbs like parsley or some grated lemon zest to the breadcrumbs, which will give the fish a fresh and citrusy note typical of Mediterranean cuisine. Fun fact: salmon sticks can be a great idea to get children to eat fish in a fun and tasty way. Since salmon is a fish rich in omega-3, including it in your diet is very beneficial for health, especially for cardiovascular health.